Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of the Matai sisters. So this episode starts off with Uzandile and Utobo. They are entering their mother's yard, you guys, and they are there to speak no Zanele. So they find Uzanele, she's outside, she's doing some washing, and they're like, "Aibo girl, phela sizokhuluma now." Bathi-ke uZandile and uThobo, they saying that they are concerned because uZanele needs to start dating. And then uZanele, she's surprised. She's like, "So you guys menithi nizombonela lokho?" She's like, "Ningenaphi nina?" uThobo's like, "Hi Zanele, mele uphile phela. This the way you're living, it's not normal." Uzanele goes on to say, "Budai mina ngibona into wrong, or I don't see anything wrong in me just living my life single and not being interested in those type izinto zomjolo." Uzandile says ukuthi hayibo phela, this is important. She says this in a diary session ukuthi it's important that they arrange ukuthi Uzanele mele aphakame manje because she's been not interested in dating for a while. She says that it's been over 13 years, guys, where Uzanele has not been dating. Kusho ukuthi baby daddy, since baby daddy broke her heart about more than 13 years ago, Ukel has been afraid to date and open up her heart. So they basically saying, "Hey boys, phela manje. If aparami Tina, this girl will never get up." uThobo goes on to say ukuthi thina sizokufunela umuntu, wena all you need to do is relax, ingqondo mele iqalise ukusebenza ke manje, and it needs to start going with the flow. Uzanele's like, "Hayibo nina, i-track record yenu ithini? Like, can you guys show me your track record that you guys are coming to tell me ngomjolo?" In her diary session, she's like, "Oh, qala, uZandile ubamba ama-piece jobs, so ngeke ngangitshela indaba zomjolo. Okwesibili, uThobo, she's always home. She's never at her own house. So, like, what are they going to tell me?" uThobo goes on to say, "Yali zabantu wena ama-track record abantu, just leave that. This is your journey manje. Thina ke, we're going to organize someone, we're going to organize a blind date. All you just need to do is just look pretty." And that's going to be interesting to see. Hey guys, like in this day and age, to even open up yourself to the dating pool or the dating world, it's a scary thing. I get next scene we see Utobo, okay? She is at her house for a change. Cause many scenes, guys, Utobo ngempela, she is forever home. She's never at her own house. So she's at her own house and she's sitting with her second daughter, Ulisedi, and they are apparently preparing for Ulisedi's matric dance. So Utobo's asking her, "Kuti, like, how are preparations going?" Ulisedi's like, everything is going well. Shotamana like pale, and then Utobo asks ukuthi, "Okay, so who's gonna pay for them?" And then Utobo says Pumzile said she will pay for them. So Tobo says ukuthi phela nginenkinga lana. I have to go and leave. I have to leave for KZN today. There's a concert on the weekend and we need to leave today so that we can start practicing. But on the brighter side of it, I'm not going there for umahala. I'm going there to make money. Remember now, guys, Utobo, I don't know whether I should say she's a musician in a sense, because she plays those instruments, a violin or something like that. So they've been invited by KZN, Watchard University. I can't remember which university in KZN has invited them to perform. Now, inkinga ukuthi it's clashing with the day where where her daughter's having a matric dance. Then Ulisedi says ukuthi, "I'm not surprised." Yeah, Utobo, it looks like that caught her off guard. She's like, "Angizwa sesi?" She's like, "Ngithi, I'm not surprised." She's like, "Usho ukuthini?" He says, the girl Ulisedi says ukuthi phela in grade R bowungekho. Grade 4, you didn't come. Ezinye ingane, while they were on stage collecting their prize giving, well, it was prize giving, their mothers were screaming for them. Mina, again, my mother was not there. So she says, Ulisedi says, "I'm not surprised, Mausichi, you're not coming, because most of the important important milestones in my life, you are not able to be there. But anyway, she goes on to say, but anyway, I understand. I understand that you need to go and make money considering the situation at home. Remember the situation at home? In Atubabu corner, he was using the car to do a business and the car got stolen. So now, and okay, that's the thing about being self-employed, guys. Yes, there's a freedom in it, but it's not an easy thing. Because manje, how is Utawa supposed to turn down the things she needs to go to? And it's a tough one because it's her daughter's matric dance, but at the same time, it's like the daughter's still gonna need money for other things. So that's the tough thing about being self-employed, guys. You can't be taking leave. How is she gonna take leave? Because if you take leave, that is your money. Uthabo in her diary sessions says mhlambe more wrong because even with my first daughter, it's the same story, guys. So all I'm saying, guys, is that yes, sometimes it looks glamorous and it seems nice to be self-employed. I guess you'll understand it if you really are self-employed. But if you have a job, you guys, I know there's a lot of complaints that come with the job, and all of those things. But sometimes let's just be grateful in whatever way, guys, we are able to provide for our loved ones and or even for ourselves. But anyway, Utobo goes on to say, okay, fine, I'm going to organize a moto that's going to pick you up. That's the least that I can do. But Mganyami, I will be there in spirit. Not only that, I believe my sisters will be there too. Utobo goes on to tell her daughter, I'm so proud of you. Aunangane. You in matric now, you don't have no child. I've never fetched you from a party utagiwe. I'm just thankful ukuthi wena ngane yami uzithandela uNkulunkulu, and I'd really like to apologize for not being able to make it to this event. I get next scene, guys, that we see Gempela at Lisedi's special day. Uzanele there, she's sewing the dress. The dress is not yet complete, but we can see this dress looks like it's going to be a nice dress. The mother comes in, she's like, okay, Zanele, how far are you with the dress? Uzanele is like, no, zippy, and the final touches, just the finishing touches. I'm almost done. And then they start talking about Uzanele's journey. Now we know which Uzanele, she calls herself a fashion designer, you guys. So she's talking about how she's always, it started with drawing. She was a type of child that loved drawing and then sewing, and she always told her father she wanted to go to a fashion design school. She's always known that this is what she wanted. And the mother's also sharing her journey with him. She bought a sewing machine only because ubaba Razanele, the Matai sister's father, he kind of forced her to be a person othungayo. So she bought the machine wakhona just to impress him, but sooner or later she realized ukuthi lento yokuthunga is not her. Kanti-ke izosiza Uzanele was actually into it, loved it, and she really is good at it. So the mother's like saying, I'm so happy to see you back, into loving izinto zokuthunga, because apparently Uzanele was going through a tough patch in her life where she kind of felt like she's behind in comparison to the indala zakhe, basically. And she started getting depression. She didn't want to do izinto zokuthunga and all of that, but she's telling her mother ukuthi manje she wants to advertise herself. She wants to put umsebenzi wakhe kwama Instagram, kwama Facebook, because abantu abaningi, they don't even know ukuthi iyathunga, because she only does it and advertises herself to the people who are around her, but other people don't know her work. So anyway, that was beautiful. She was thanking her mother, ngiyabonga mama, just for always being there with me, supporting me when I'm going to buy material and stuff. You are always there. You're still there. That's beautiful to see, because most of the times, guys, in these episodes, we always hear, or most of the time we hear the bad things the mother didn't do, especially when it comes to Upumzile will grab an opportunity to tell you ukuthi her mother uyakhetha and all of that, which I'm not saying is not true, but I'm just saying ukuthi a person can't be all their bad, guys. There's also good things that sometimes you must say to a person, because sometimes it's not that the person doesn't see ukuthi there's bad things that they've done, but sometimes just, throw in a compliment there and then. Next scene, Gampana, we see Upumzile. She's dressed up. She comes in. She gets them. and she's carrying flowers. Medefika uzandile, she's busy with Ulisedi's makeup. Ulisedi is looking so beautiful, guys. That time, the way Papa when she was with her mother, she just seemed, like a quiet child. When the makeup, maybe it's that weave. When the weave was on, you guys, I only said was pampering. Upumzila, I thought it was such a cute gesture to bring the flowers, only to find out that Uli said it did ask for the flowers. But I still think that was beautiful. Yo, guys, Mongalana, she's ululating. Yo, guys, Uli said it looked beautiful. The dress. Haibo Uzanele outdid herself, guys. She is so good. Yo, Hayuri said it looked beautiful. Everyone in the house. This is for the first time I ever felt as if these sisters are really united or this family is united. Because when they started this the show, they said, yes, yeah, but we love and support one another. This is the first time I kind of felt like there was genuine love, genuine support, and there weren't any fights, or should I say yet. There weren't any fights, and they really, like, we didn't feel as if Unokuzanu Togo was not there because the sisters listened the way they were so excited. You relating there. I bought the whole house, guys, went to the matric dance along with Uli said. When the city got there, guys, Papa taking pictures, feeling like this listen, Bamenze Umuntu, guys, and that was really amazing to see. Hi, cat. Last scene, we see Ubusi. Ubusi is out with her friend Ekrin Saidi. They are out to eat some burgers. So Ubusi is like, hey, Pelangi Bizelana, so we can talk. She goes on to say, Pelang Zamile. I tried to break up no kai, no baby that you want me. I tried to break up with him. God, it was not easy. Every time when I try and break up Nano Mundo, he would cry and come up with stories and beg me. And I end up feeling sorry for him. Umgani get Abusi. She's like, listen, Busi, like be serious. Kunini usi uhlukana nalo kai. How many years? So dlala ngathi manje, like really, like we tired of hearing the same story. Ubusi's like, Aibo, I'm not angdlali. She's like, then the friend is like, Paul, like why are we even having this conversation? Because you know which things were team. Ubusi in her diary session, she says, Phela nomngani, mesisemsebenzini this friend tells me ukuthi angibhekezele. Kodwa mesilasidla amabheka, umngani ungitshela ukuthi angimyebe ukhaya. So she's kind of insinuating ukuthi the friend is saying things just for the sake of the camera. Then Gampela, we see the friend. The next thing, the friend, she changes. She's like, Mina Busi, I've always told you this. Ukuthi umuntu uyazilungisela yena. You fix a person for indota uyazilungisela. Akekho umuntu 100%. You fix a person for yourself. Ne counseling sometimes iyanleta. I'm just like, this friend really turned around, and I'm like, no, there's some people, like they need to go fix themselves and work on themselves, and you need to give them the space to do that. You can't, hey, Bo, imagine. Then anyway, Unokuzana, I get the friends like, no, fix him for yourself, take him to counseling, and then the both of you go to counseling, because now again, you can see Wuti, like, our security, fix him for yourself. Ubusi in her diary, there when she was there with the girl, Ubusi's like, yeah, I hear you. One thing about Ubusi, she will say, yeah, I hear you. Come diary session, she's speaking the opposite thing. In a diary session, she's like, I can't save someone while I'm drowning. She goes on to say, Mina, I'm going to take myself to therapy. Ukai, Gesera the next woman he dates is going to take him to therapy because Nina Nzamile Banja, 5 years young, Nkatel. And guys, that's granted. You need to give yourself, Aibo. Yes, you try and help someone because you love them, but at some point, you need to see which you also killing yourself here. But the friend ends up saying, listen, if you feel like ukumyebuka is very difficult, zitholele phela side dish, zitholele side dish, yeah, and so that you can forget about ukai wako. I'm like, what type of advice is that, guys? She's like, zitholele side dish so that uzophuma ukai side dishes will keep you stressy and keep you distracted, or even alternatively stay alone or stay single for 7 months, and then you can take it from there. But Ubusi says, listen, at this point, I just think I need to focus on myself and stay single. And I think it's the best thing, especially when you have kids, guys. Just take time to heal and be selfish, man. Yazi uspend life yakho isikhathi esiningi ucabanga umuntu. Just take time and be selfish ngawe nje. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.